Yes, sir. This is called the Lakshmi Mudra. Placing the thumb between the little finger and the middle finger, and you're making this cross in both the hands. And now you're joining the two thumbs together and bringing in front of your eye, and you're chanting this mantra. Om Hrim Srim Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha. 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 Om Hrim Srim Klim Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha. Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha.